Why does my phone says RCS Messages on iPhone? Without any further delay, let's figure it out with the help of the video. So if you move into messages and then head over to any of the inbox of the person, and the message that you send to this person indicates RCS Messages, and you must be wondering what it is. Well, RCS stands for Rich Communication Services, and it's basically the next generation of regular SMS texting. When RCS is enabled on a phone, your messages are sent over the internet instead of just your carrier's old SMS network. This unlocks modern chat features like typing indicators, read recipient, higher quality photos and videos sharing, and even smoother group chats, similar to apps like WhatsApp or iMessage. If the person you are messaging also has RCS turned on, you will both get the full experience. But don't worry, if they don't, your phone will automatically fall back to standard SMS or MMS. So when you see RCS messaging, it simply means your phone is using this upgraded texting system for a richer chat experience. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.